Today, I'll show you how to create discounts on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to entice new customers, clear out inventory, or simply reward loyal patrons, setting up discounts can be a powerful tool. Let's dive in and learn how you can quickly set up discounts on your Squarespace website. First, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're there, look for the products section. This area is essentially the heart of your online store where you manage everything from inventory to promotions. Click on products to get started. Once you're in the product section, locate the discounts option. This is where you'll create and manage all your promotional offers. Click on discounts to proceed. Here you'll find an overview of any existing discounts you might already have. But today we're focusing on creating something new. Now it's time to generate a new discount. Look for the option that says Auto Generate Discount and click on it. This feature is particularly useful if you're unsure about what kind of discount might resonate best with your customers. Squarespace provides you with a variety of discount types and configurations that can cater to different marketing strategies. After selecting Auto Generate Discount, you'll need to choose the type of discount you'd like to offer. Squarespace allows you to select from a few different options like percentage discounts, fixed amount discounts, and free shipping. Each type serves different purposes. For instance, percentage discounts are great for large orders, while free shipping can attract those who are hesitant about additional costs. Choose the one that best fits your promotion strategy. Next, you'll want to establish the rules for your discount. This step is crucial because it defines who can use the discount and under what conditions. You can set parameters such as a minimum order amount, specific products or collections the discount applies to, or even limit the number of times a discount can be used. This flexibility allows you to tailor your promotions to fit your business needs and customer behavior. Take your time to think about what rules will best align with your goals. Once you've set the rules, the final step is to save your new discount. Double check all the details to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click Save. Your discount is now live and ready to be used by your customers. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a discount on your Squarespace site. Remember, discounts are a great way to engage with your audience, boost sales, and encourage repeat business. Experiment with different types and rules to see what works best for your store. Thanks for watching and happy selling.